start preparing for the big
Oh,
day.
that's what I
The
really
daughters,
like. I
Varsha and
like
Vaishali,
that
along with their mother Rajbala,
design.
start by creating a colorful rangoli in the doorway.
Hey guys, and what's up? And welcome back to my channel again. So it's Jenny again, and namaste to all of you. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to this channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified for my next uploads. And yes, we have another video again to watch. And the title of this one is about Diwali, the Festival of Lights. Because I want to know more about Diwali. Because what I only know is it's about it's a festival of lights celebrated in India. That's what I only remember. So yes, without further ado, guys, without any further ado, let's watch this now. Diwali, Festival of Lights. No, we only have this firecrackers like when New Year. Diwali Festival of Lights. Wow. We also have like that,
Diwali is certainly one of the biggest, brightest, and most important
but
festivals of India.
it's December.
While Diwali is popularly known as the Festival of Lights, the most significant spiritual meaning behind it is the awareness of the inner light or the Atman. The celebration of Diwali as the victory of good over evil refers to the light of higher knowledge dispelling all ignorance. While the story behind Diwali and the manner of celebration of the festival differ
It's
greatly
like
depending on the
similar to
region,
what
the
we have
essence
here
of
in
the
the
festival
Philippines,
remains
like
the same:
Christmas,
the
but we
celebration of
don't
life,
have
its enjoyment,
candles
and
during
goodness.
those
The
times.
word Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit term Deepavali, which
Oh,
translates to Rose
lamps.
of Lamps. Based on the Hindu lunar calendar, Diwali falls between October and November on an Amavasya or moonless night. Celebrated as the victory of good over evil, the festival is associated with the legend of the Hindu god Lord Ram's return to his kingdom Ayodhya after 14 years in exile. The demon
Mm.
king Ravan of Lanka had abducted Lord Ram's consort Sita only to invite his own death as a result. Lord Ram, along with his brother Lakshman and an army of monkeys, defeated and killed Ravan and returned to his kingdom with Sita. According to mythology, the people of
Wow.
Ayodhya lit up clay lamps known as diyas to welcome him on his return from exile. The biggest festival of India also gives rise to an abundance of Diwali melas or fairs and carnivals to support the massive shopping
Wow.
sprees associated with the festival. Girls and women dress up during the festival. They wear colorful clothing and new jewelry,
Henna.
and their hands are
Ang
decorated with
ganda
henna
nun.
designs.
So beautiful.
Decorative items, garlands, diyas, and crackers are on the hot list of all the shoppers. This time of the year also marks the highest sale of traditional Indian sweets, as sweets are exchanged when families and
Wow.
friends come together to celebrate. Markets are adorned with colorful Diwali decorations. Small time potters who sell clay diyas have their highest annual sales around this time.
That's what they use for the lamps. Not all candles.
Local bazaars offer an array of designer clay diyas, earthen lamps, and colorful lanterns. Women have a great time shopping and decking up for the festivities, along with gathering the items
Mm.
required for the rituals. Many tourists also visit markets to experience the festive rush during Diwali. Diwali also marks the end of the harvest season for farmers and the closing of the financial year for businessmen. Colorful idols of goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha are seen everywhere in the markets. Hindus strongly believe that goddess Lakshmi, the goddess
It's
of wealth,
very
visits their
colorful.
houses if they are kept clean and lit with diyas on this day. Vijay is a manager at a farmhouse and belongs to a typical Hindu household. He and his wife Rajbala, along with their children Varsha, Vaishali, and Vishal, celebrate Diwali the traditional way.
Oh,
Diwali is
it's
a
five
5-day
days.
affair
So
and
they
kicks off
will
with
light
Dhanteras.
up
Dhan means
with
wealth,
their
hence,
lamps
this day
and
is considered auspicious for buying items related to
uh, use
prosperity like utensils or
firecrackers.
gold. Vijay and his family also plan to
in
buy
the
something in
5
keeping
days.
with the customs of Dhanteras. Increasing inflation in India has made it a little difficult for everyone to buy gold. Vijay's family have decided to buy some utensils from one of the nearby shops. It is a good day for the shopkeepers to make a lot of money. Vijay will have to
I
bargain a
just
lot to
noticed a
get the
lot of
best.
Indians like a
Different colorful
lot of
varieties of fireworks
like
are always
stainless,
associated with this festival. Vijay and
stainless,
Rajbala
you
go to a
know.
shop to buy firecrackers for their children. Their youngest child Vishal is very excited as he checks out the crackers. The family returns after the shopping and rests at home as they have much to do the coming evening. An excited Vishal
I
starts his
also
Diwali
like that
celebration by bursting
lighting
tiny crackers.
firecrackers. That's before when
Vijay
I
buys new
was
utensils
young.
that will be worshipped at night after they are offered to Goddess Lakshmi for blessings. It is believed that she will bestow the devotee with good luck, fortune, and wealth. The day after Dhanteras is known as Narak Chaudas or Choti Diwali. In short, it is Diwali on a smaller scale with fewer rituals. Hindus get up before dawn, clean their houses, take a fragrant bath, and dress up in festive clothes. Vijay and his family follow suit. They are decorating their house with much excitement to invite Goddess Lakshmi. The whole family
It's the
rejoices
purpose
on the
of
occasion
the
by singing
night.
aartis or religious hymns while they take part in the puja.
It's like
The third day of the festival, also known as Lakshmi Puja, is the
they
main
always have a
Diwali
lot of
celebration.
colorful flowers.
The day is devoted to Goddess Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, and Lord Ganesh, the lord of auspicious beginnings and the remover of obstacles. The devotees worship them seeking prosperity and wealth. Vijay and his family are no exception. They do not want to annoy the deities and seek their favor. They get up early in the morning and start preparing for the big
Oh,
day.
that's what I
The
really
daughters,
like.
Varsha
I
and
like
Vaishali, along with their mother
the
Rajbala,
sign.
start by creating a colorful rangoli in the doorway. Artistically sprinkling colored powder on the floor into an
I
amazing
really like
pattern
their
needs
designs of that.
concentration and precision. The girls and their mother are experts at this. Vishal sits with his mother and curiously watches the
Rangoli.
rangoli motif
Yeah.
being made.
Guys, send me
The
your
purpose of the
pictures
rangoli
of
is to welcome
Rangoli.
guests and to
I
encourage
want to
Goddess
see that.
Lakshmi to come into the home. Once the rangoli is
Send
done,
me on
the women
Instagram.
get dressed and light up diyas in the whole house.
Send
The
me
house has
the
already been
design of your
decorated with colorful
family.
lanterns and sparkly lights which will
Design
be
of
kept on all
Rangoli.
night.
Send me on Instagram.
Dressed in their festive clothes, Rajbala and her daughters keep all the diyas on a large platter. They fill the diyas with oil and
Use
place the
oil,
cotton
not
wicks in them.
candles.
Varsha and Vaishali place the lit diyas all over the
Ah,
house.
they also use candles.
Vishal and his friend also help his sisters by lighting candles and placing them in every room of the house so that each corner
It's
of the
easier
house
for
seems
kids
to
to
be
light up
welcoming
their
the goddess Lakshmi.
firecrackers. They have
Diwali falls on
candles
a no less
everywhere.
night, but the gleaming diyas and lights from the decorated houses in the neighborhood light up the darkness. Devotees throng temples to worship Goddess Lakshmi at night, but Vijay and Rajbala will perform the ritual in their own house. They need to set up the altar for the goddess first. Decorated
Really
with red
prepare
cloth
for
and
it.
yellow flowers, they place the idols of Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh at an auspicious spot in the house. The whole family gathers around it and Rajbala holds the Aarti Thali for the ritual. The Aarti Thali is a platter of offerings. Religious hymns or aartis are sung in praise of the deities while the prayers are being performed.
Wow.
The end of the Aarti marks the beginning of the noisy but colorful display of firecrackers. It is a lot of fun for children, and kids from the other communities also love to participate in this tradition. But one night of endless firecrackers causes a lot of air pollution, making it difficult to move about in the night, even to visit your friends and relatives. Diwali spells a business boom for the fireworks industry since people spend millions of rupees just on
So there will
crackers
be
for
a
the
lot of
single
fun
day celebration.
after that
Firecrackers are
night.
believed to be the announcement of the victory of good over evil, to dispel evil and to announce to the gods the joy of the people living on earth. Thus, firecrackers are
Amazing.
set off from dusk throughout the night and sometimes even till dawn. While the firecrackers are going on, Rajbala is all set to prepare a feast for the day. Varsha and Vaishali help their mother in the kitchen. They plan to cook traditional puri, the Indian fried flatbread, and paneer or cottage cheese. After the meal is cooked, the family enjoys it at the table. Most Hindu families have a similar vegetarian fare for Diwali. Govardhan Puja is the fourth day of the Diwali festival. In some parts of India, this day is also known as
What's
Annakut.
that mud?
Legend says that Lord Indra, the Hindu lord of rain and the king of gods, got angry with the people of the land of Gokul, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. To punish the villagers, the rain god poured out endless rain flooding through the village. However, Lord Krishna came to the rescue of the village and sheltered the villagers under Govardhan hill by lifting the entire hill onto his little finger, thereby protecting the villagers and their livestock. Since then, this day is celebrated to thank Lord Krishna.
After fireworks, they will have dance celebration now. That's so fun.
This day is also known as Padwa in some parts of the country, and people visit their friends and family with gifts and goodies on this day. Vijay's family has a tradition of celebrating this day. The women of the family and neighborhood make a cow dung hillock to perform the ritual of the day. The hillock is built symbolizing Govardhan Hill and then decorated with flowers and other elements. The menfolk then pay obeisance to this symbolic hillock by circling around it and singing religious songs.
Their celebrations like this, like, really brings a good
Vijay and
bond to
Vishal
the
join in the
family.
prayers. They also offer
That's what
kheer,
I
puffed
feel.
rice, and flowers to the hillock.
That's why most
The
people
festival
in
of Diwali
India
concludes with a
are
celebration called
very
Bhai Dooj. This
family
day is an
oriented.
important day for brothers and sisters. The name Bhai Dooj is divided into two parts. The first one, Bhai, stands for brother. Hindu women across India pray for their brothers' long lives on this day. The latter part, Dooj, is added as this day falls on the second day after Diwali. According to legend, Yam, the god of death, visited his
They
sister
will
Yamuna
tie
on this day.
bracelet.
Yamuna greeted her brother with an arti and vermilion mark of respect on his forehead known as tika. Yamuna celebrated the day by offering sweets to her brother and got gifts from him in return.
I forgot what
The
it's
tradition
called.
since then is followed in all Hindu families. Sisters Varsha and Vaishali perform the ritual for their beloved brother Vishal.
Amazing.
The celebration starts early in the morning and sisters perform puja for their brothers. They put a red vermilion tika on their brother's forehead. Brothers in return give gifts to their sisters as a token of their love. Vijay's children get up early in the morning and dress up. Vishal is seated for the ritual and his elder sister Varsha begins the ritual with a thali of offerings. She marks Vishal's forehead with vermilion paste and ties a holy thread on his hand. She gives him the auspicious offerings of coconut and sweets. Later, she happily demands a gift from
I
Vishal
like
and gets
that.
money instead. The younger sister Vaishali performs the same rituals. Vijay's sister also performs the
You'll
rituals
get
with him,
money
and the
by
whole
the
family
like
customarily celebrates the day together.
praying
Bhai
or
Dooj marks the end of the
giving
5 days of Diwali celebrations.
them
Diwali is known as the
here.
festival of lights, but with so many rituals and traditions, it can also be called a festival of sweets, gifts, fireworks, and family. The most important message of Diwali is that of spreading happiness and sharing familial togetherness. Such festive celebrations impart a lot of values to the younger generations by helping them understand and enjoy traditions in a meaningful way. The festival of Diwali comes and goes every year, but the
Yeah, we
enthusiasm to
have that
celebrate
kind
it
of
increases
lights
with
also
every
every
passing year.
holiday of
After all,
December
it is synonymous
until
with
New
good
Year.
time spent with family and loved ones and promises something memorable for every member of the family and community. Diwali night is a sight to behold in any part of the country, and the oneness of joyful spirits is apparent as
Wow.
people watch their troubles symbolically go up in flames and burst in an exhilarating display of fireworks.
We only have fireworks like that every New Year, or only few when it's Chinese New Year. I really enjoy it, guys. I really enjoyed watching it. For me, it's an amazing festival. Yes, guys, please. Yes. Guys, please send me your pictures of Rangoli. I want to see it. Send me in Instagram. I want to see your Rangoli designs. And yeah, any pictures that you can share to me celebrating Diwali. And yes, happy advance Diwali to all of you guys. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I hope I can experience also that festival in one day. Yeah, that's all guys that I can say. Yes. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. And yes guys, follow my Instagram and my Twitter. I hope you enjoyed watching it with me. Guys, please hit the like button, and yes, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next vlogs. Bye! Advance happy Diwali. Yes!